Imagine the most dangerous object in the universe suddenly, bursting like a cosmic firework. No warning, no slow countdown. Just poof, one of nature's ultimate monsters gone. So today we're asking, what if a black hole actually exploded? What happens next? Now, black holes are famous for swallowing everything. Light, planets, your hopes of becoming a professional skateboarder gone. They don't usually explode. They're basically gravity turned up to 1,000. But there is a theoretical idea that after an incredibly long time, a black hole could slowly shrink and then bang. Not a tiny bang, not a forgot popcorn in the microwave bang. More like the loudest event your universe has heard in trillions of years. But let's skip the trillion-year wait and drop an exploding black hole into our universe right now. What would we see? What would we feel? Would Earth even survive the trailer? Step 1. The black hole starts shrinking. Before the explosion, the black hole begins to lose mass. As it gets smaller, it emits more and more radiation, like a cosmic tea kettle screaming louder as the water runs out. Near the end, it becomes ridiculously bright and incredibly hot. If you were nearby, congratulations, you're already vaporized. Step 2. The flash. When it finally detonates, it releases a flood of energy, gamma rays, particles, and pure chaos, compressed into a fraction of a second. This flash would be so bright that if the explosion happened halfway across the galaxy, Earth's night sky would light up like someone turned on a cosmic stadium lamp. Step 3. Space ripples. The explosion would send gravitational waves, literal ripples in space, shaking the fabric of the universe. Not enough to ruin your day, but enough for scientists to spill coffee on the detectors and blame the universe again. Step 4. The particle storm. Next comes a burst of high-energy particles racing outward at nearly the speed of light. If the explosion is close, this is bad news for Earth. We're talking fried satellites, disrupted electricity, and the world's most painful sunburn. If it's far away, cool light show, no sunscreen required. Step 5. The ghost zone. Here's the weird part. Once the explosion ends, the black hole is gone. No leftover object, no cosmic crater, just empty space where one of the universe's most extreme objects used to be. It would be the quietest after-party ever. But the biggest surprise? A black hole explosion wouldn't be destructive because it's big. It'd be destructive because it's fast. All the mass that took millions of years to fall in gets blasted out in an instant. It's like smashing a star, a supernova, and a nuclear reactor together, but pressing the Release All Energy Now button. If one exploded near Earth, we wouldn't even notice it, because we'd be well gone before we could notice it. So, what happens next after a black hole explodes? The universe keeps expanding. Space gets one more blast of energy. And somewhere out there, an astronomer gets very excited and says, finally, something new. It's a reminder that even the biggest, scariest cosmic objects don't last forever. Everything in the universe has an ending, even the things that are supposed to be unbreakable. If you enjoyed this little cosmic fireworks show, hit that like button, drop a comment with your next what if idea, and subscribe for more science stories that bend your brain in the best way.